Hey y'all. Now I know it's been a while since I posted a video, so what have I been up to? Well, let me tell you about it this coming Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific on the Mad Maker Show, hosted by Eloy Escagedo. Now I put a link down below to Eloy's channel. Click that subscribe button, click that bell, and you'll be notified when the show is about to begin. So that's Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific for the Mad Maker Show, starring Eloy Escagedo featuring Jamie Page. Be there. Bye, y'all.